How's it going? Yesterday I was at Blade Show. I got a package from Sean. Oh, you wrote my name. But Sean, there's no tape on this thing, man. This is making me really nervous to open. This one's not even... Look at that. 4 strips of tape on each side. So it's still in here. That's what I was nervous about, at least. So, Sean sent me the, this is the AlumaFX Synergy. Here it is right here, the copper brass. And some buttons to mess around with, because I'm going to be making a good bit of buttons. These are, what, these are Chubb buttons, right? These are to mess around with. Oh, you want these to have a radius, don't you? I don't know. I'll talk to you and ask. All right, put those up here. Synergy. The balls are pretty cool. Ooh, this one glides really nicely. This one's a little, like, stiff. It almost feels like there's like a rubber O-ring inside and it's kind of not moving that easily. And my nails are dirty. Been working. Why does it sound like that? Why are we rattling? It's the bearing and buttons. Interesting, but they're tight. Man, this thing has some crazy judder. I mean, like I can make it stop spinning almost instantly. What's going on here? Jesus Christ. It's okay, I have a rug down here. Interesting. Cap C, or Cap B bearing? Or A, maybe? So is that just how these buttons sandwich? It's almost like they don't sandwich all the way. There is a taller shelf than a lot of other buttons. Yeah, what in the world? I'm pretty sure the button is hitting the body whenever it's... Yeah, I don't see a light gap on the brass button to copper body side. Oh no, not on the copper button brass side either. And the bearing leans this way versus this way. Huh. I'll just hold it vertical to minimize the interference. Pretty cool spinner. I definitely like the tungsten on the ends. You can feel it, you can feel it slap. Definitely needs better buttons. I could totally get that. A little larger than the body, are the exact same size. Whoa. Whoa. These are just wonky buttons. They're out of concentricity, look at that. Huh. Yeah, I'll definitely make you some buttons, dude. We'll hit up Mike Sackmar and get some of that copper brass 2-color stuff. I want to ask you before I do it, but I want to try a different bearing in this thing. Because this is not... You can hear it smacking. Cool. Thanks, man. I'm glad it didn't fall out of the package. We'll get some materials and get after it. I'm going to seal them up for now. And Sean, talk with you later. Everyone else, thanks for watching. See ya.